Morning all. I'm just going to do a quick video on setting or removing the speed limiter on this is a 2015 Renault Kangoo. So most of the Autels can do it if it's bi-directional, so MS908, MS908 Pro, MK908, MS906. So we've already done a full scan of this vehicle. Sorry about the focus. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into injection. So we've accessed the engine ECU now. We're just going to go straight into special function, configuration, speed limiter. Obviously it explains about the speed limiter. Next, you can see the speed limiter is active at 110. Which coincides with what we've got here. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit next. We're going to set it to inactive. Okay. 200, which this van's never going to hit anyway. Okay. Configuration. It's now carried out. So we're going to switch off the ignition. Finish that. We're going to leave it for the power latch to drop on the ECU, and then we're going to go back into it and just double check that the speed limit has gone. Simple as that. Cheers, bye.